Welcome to Searching Digitized City Directories at the Brooklyn Collection. Our digitized city directories are hosted at the Internet Archive. You can access this resource by visiting the Brooklyn Collection page on the Brooklyn Public Library website at bklynlibrary.org/Brooklyn Collection. Click on the Resources tab and you'll see the digitized directories listed here under Databases. When you click through, the page that comes up has the directories listed in chronological order. These directories date from 1856 to 1967. The year of each directory is here in smaller font under the directory's title. Click the image to be taken to that directory. I'm going to pick this one from 1883. As you can see, clicking the directory opens a viewer that presents the pages as they would look in a physical volume. You can click the arrows in the toolbar at the bottom here to flip through the pages. You can also use this toolbar to zoom in, zoom out, full screen the viewer, or change the page view. So the default is this 2-page view, but you can also select 1-page view or thumbnail view that shows you multiple pages at once. There is also a search bar in the upper right. It can take a few moments, especially for terms that appear frequently in the text, but this will keyword search the entire directory. I previously searched a name in this other tab to demonstrate the way the results are displayed. The search results appear as markers on the progress bar here. You can click each marker to be taken to that instance of your search term in the text. In this case, I searched the surname Holtze, and I was directed to the alphabetical listing of that name. If we zoom in, you'll see my search term is highlighted on the page. The text recognition software is not perfect, so if your search term does not show up using the search bar, you may still wish to browse the alphabetical listings to see if you can find the name manually. If you choose to search manually, you can drag the progress bar to the beginning of the volume and find a list of sections and their page numbers to help you navigate. Now let's return to the main page to look at a later directory, since they display a little differently. I'm going to scroll down and find a telephone directory from 1935. In this case, the directory's 2-page spreads are considered 1 page in the viewer, so it's a little bit more difficult to see and read the text. This is because these directories were scanned from microfilm rather than from physical volumes, which also compromises the quality of the image somewhat. Using the tools I pointed out earlier, however, we can change the page view, full screen the viewer, zoom in, and otherwise make the pages more legible. If you want to move around the page while you're zoomed in, just click and drag like so. Researchers also have the option to download the directories as PDF files. If we exit full screen and scroll down on the individual directory page, we'll see the download options here on the right. This allows researchers to access and search these files however they are most comfortable. Thanks for searching the digitized city directories with us.